We'll begin our project once again by opening up the terminal and going into the directory we want to create our project in. And the folder this time I'll call Hacker Next, and we'll bring that newly created folder into our code editor. Once that's open, we can initialize our package.json file with npm init. We'll go through the CLI. We'll leave the name as Hacker Next, skip the version. The description will be a Hacker News clone made with Next.js. Entry point will make server.js. We'll create a custom server for this app. We'll skip the test command, skip the git repo, no keywords. We can provide our author name, no license, and we'll hit enter to indicate that this is okay. Then we'll install our dependencies: Next, React, React DOM. Next, we'll create our pages directory and add our home page with index.js. We'll say class index extends react.component. We'll add a render and return. We'll start by just returning a div with the text Hacker Next, and then export this class with export default. We'll save that, then create our dev script set to next. Then we'll run npm run dev, and once that compiles we can head to localhost 3000. We should see the text Hacker Next. And one final note before we move on: did you notice that we were able to create this class and extend a React component without having to import React? You can use anything from React in Next without having to import it. A good thing to note, and we'll make use of this in the following sections.